about the movie, and even I encounter this question all the time, that how does it feel like becoming a hero? And I didn't become a hero, it's Rajkumar Rao who became a hero in my role. But I was a born hero anyway. Maybe when I was born, the world must have thought I was a zero because I didn't have sight. But my parents thought I was a hero because I had powerful vision with body. When the vision is for the mind and sight is for the eye, the differentiation is what we need to get it right. Therefore, the mind has no disability. Therefore, I have no limitation. I know most of you want to be a part of this new age economy, digital technology and transformative industries. But I am working in an old-fashioned and boring industry, manufacturing. But if you don't transform manufacturing, we don't get anywhere in terms of job and wealth creation for our people. All of us can't be employed in high-tech, right? Someone has to make the food we eat, and someone has to recycle the waste we generate. And that's what I do, a part of it among other things.
Telangana itself, like the Dr. Reddy's, and then we had few others in the last few years that we have come up into the World Economic Forum.